Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with Gus & Cho Associates. If you're looking to get a mortgage after bankruptcy, here are the guidelines. So if you file a Chapter 7 and it's discharged, you have to wait 2 years from that discharge date. Unless you were in a plane crash, unless you had stage 4 cancer, unless your child died of some horrific death in front of you, then you can do less than 2 years. But outside of that horrific event, you have to wait 2 years. No ands, ifs, or buts. Now, if you do a Chapter 13, 1 year into the 13, you're eligible. You have to make 12 on-time payments, and now you're eligible for what's called the manual underwrite. All the way up until 2 years discharge is a manual underwrite. After 2 years discharge from a 13, regular old FHA loan. Now, foreclosure is real simple. 3 years from the foreclosure date. Now, a lot of people think that they foreclose on a certain date because they moved out of the house, the sheriff threw all the furniture on the street. That's the date. That's not the date. The date is that the deed was transferred out of your name by the bank back into the bank's name. And sometimes they take a year to do that. So we got to find out the date the deed was transferred out of your name to determine that 3 year waiting period. So 3 years from foreclosure, 2 years discharge from bankruptcy, you're normal. 1 year into a Chapter 13, up to 2 years out of the 13 is a manual underwrite, and 2 years after the 13, you're eligible for a regular loan. If you got any questions, give me a call, 630-915-7550. Please subscribe.